fresh without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready?
Hello everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's kitchen. Hope everyone is well and blessed. This is day 13 of Vlogmas 13. So I'm coming on to you today. I'm getting ready to make fried turkey legs. Now I'm not going to put a lot of milk and seasoning on it. I'm just going to fry the turkey legs just with the seasoning on it today and let you see how it comes out. Now, if you want to put extra milk and stuff on, you can. But it takes a little while longer. And what happens when you put the milk and eggs on it to begin with, they'll get browner quicker. And I'm just going to only put one in at a time because I have three about the same size. But they're a little bit thick around the head, around the top part. So that's why I'm not going to use the eggs and the egg batter on those. So thank you. I'm getting ready now. I've already put into the flour all of my ingredients that I'm going to be including. The scripture for today is taken from the 2nd Psalms in 12th verse. Okay, blessed are all who takes refuge in him. Blessed are all who takes refuge in him. Psalms 2 and 12. Thank you for the reading of the word. And I hope this will help someone along the way, today, tomorrow, and next week, and whenever they come back. Because this is a true thing in the spirit. And we all need some types of verse that we can always recline to, reach out to, rather. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to pour my ingredients on the turkey legs. This is my garlic powder, yes. This is the garlic powder. Onion powder, complete, okay, all right, so I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper, and I got to put a lot because black pepper has a way of making me sneeze, and I don't want to be sneezing, so I'm going to go light on it. Okay, I'm going to put my gloves on so I can kind of turn it over, and then I'll kind of baste them down on into the mixture of ingredients. What I'm trying to do right now. Oh, I need to turn it on. Okay. We'll do one at a time, so as soon as the grease gets hot. I also have my ingredients in the flour mixture.
Miss Lena been frying turkey legs and everything, so we've been little bitty kids, and I'm 63 now.
if I get ready for you in pajamas, I put my pajamas on too again.
Yeah, put your pajamas on too. Yep. I wish you should have made your cake in your pajama, Christmas pajamas.
Yeah, I'm not putting in a big old pot, just a small one.
Yes, you had to put in a big pot. She would put the batter on it like she always do. But she cooking in a little pot, so she didn't put the batter on. Ooh, I'm ready for some turkey.
Farm presentation of fried turkey legs. I got one more that's still frying. So, but this is the way you think your fried turkey legs look.
That's how they look. Good. Okay.
Okay, so I hope y'all will try it. I already have one video on the fried turkey legs that I did a little while ago. But these, I want you to see this what I did for tonight. So hope y'all, if you want to find fried turkey legs, you can try to make y'all some fried turkey legs. They're very good. So try them. You'll like them. And on to the next video. But go back to the other video. And you'll like them. So, y'all, I'm kind of tired. So if I'm looking like I'm tired, I am tonight. But I want y'all to enjoy the turkey legs anyway. Okay? May God bless and keep y'all to another day. And try the turkey legs. You'll enjoy it. And these are the ones that I made in 2025. And so these are real nice. Except I did more because I had a thicker pot. And I just tried these one by one. And these are a little bit larger. But I needed a deep. I do have a deep fryer, but I didn't want to do that tonight because I didn't feel like putting all that stuff up. So I want y'all to try these in a deep fryer, and they will come out good. The chicken legs and the thighs, and also the chicken wing. I mean the turkey wings. I'm sorry. They will all come out looking real good, and they really taste real. They taste very good when you cook them real good. They're more likely off the chain. Let me add this other one to it. In the next video, may God bless. Have a good one. Good night from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Turkey legs fried. Thank you. Bye-bye now.